YouTube. Another unboxing of my Logitech. This time it's my Logitech gaming keyboard G110. So just put it up here. Okay, so we got here, got the keyboard, come back to that, got a quick start guide, important information, and key profile and drivers, maybe, I'm guessing. What's under here? And under here is the palm rest. So get these out of the road. Now look at the keyboard. It's a very nice looking keyboard. Keys feel alright, sound alright. It's got microphone and headphone jack there. A USB 2.0 port, volume, rocker, not rocker, button, I'm guessing, some stick, I have no idea what that's for, and yeah, that looks about it. So thank you for checking out my unboxing.